Hey guys, welcome back to the video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, everything is up quite significantly. Bitcoin has crossed 33,000, and on the other end, Dogecoin is also up about 10%. But there are some important things you need to pay attention to. Elon Musk throws shade at Wikipedia, ignites Dogecoin profit speculations, and on the other end, experts forecast that Dogecoin is about to surge to $1 in a very short period of time. Before we get into this, if you're here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button right there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people can stay up to date with what is happening with Dogecoin. They decide to buy into it, see the positive side, it starts backing up, and all of us make a lot of profit. If you do not know, this morning Dogecoin, not just Dogecoin, but even Bitcoin actually crossed 34,000, which was the turning point, as that helped the whole crypto market to keep climbing. Right now, Dogecoin is actually sitting at a very comfortable spot in number 9, because you can see Tron, which is in number 10, is significantly behind, and at the same time, Dogecoin still has the very clear factor which can actually push it back to the 8th spot, beating Cardano. And what is that clear spot I'm talking about? Our boy Elon Musk. Now, if you guys do not know, recently, from last, I would say 1 year, Elon has been quite quiet about Dogecoin. He has not tweeted about it, he's not been trying to pump up the price, nothing like that. If you do not know why, well, simple answer is SEC is behind him, and he has gone through some lawsuits of turning the crypto market and also manipulating it. That's why if he decides to tweet anything regarding Dogecoin or just the crypto market in general, that can cause him to have a bigger lawsuit. But the reason the market actually shifted so significantly for Dogecoin from this tweet that Elon did today morning about Wikipedia is the fact that Wikipedia is not for sale, a personal appeal from Jimmy Wales. If you guys do not know, Wikipedia is a foundation that's not a paid foundation. They do take a lot of charity from people to try to, a non-profitable entity can survive. On the other end, they are talking about how they might be selling it soon, so it doesn't add up together. Now, recently, Elon has not been very explosive about his thoughts. He has about 160 million followers on Twitter, so he has to be very careful. But seeing that he tweeted something like this, obviously, mocking Wikipedia, that shows that he is now slowly starting to take back his own idea, and also just going back to tweeting what he feels rather than being worried about a lawsuit or something like that. And that is why everyone is thinking maybe this is the turning point where Elon might start tweeting about other things such as Dogecoin, and that is why we received such a big rally today as well. Yesterday, Dogecoin did do really well with the whole market also climbing, but today carrying that on was the big driving factor. What's another really interesting factor is this. Now, BTC, a top crypto trader, predicts that Dogecoin rise to $1 in the near future. Despite the past fluctuations, Dogecoin remain a top 10 cryptocurrency by market cap. And if we talk about two other cryptos which are also meme tokens or were classified as meme token and are very high, is Pepe and also Shiba Inu, but they have very volatile market, while on the other end Dogecoin has a very calm market. What I'm trying to say is there are some whales which are just holding on to Dogecoin long term. What does that mean? Well, that means that there is a lot of trust in the token compared to any other. Now, if we talk about the actual one-day chart, this will give you more perspective in terms of where the Dogecoin price is sitting right now. Right now, we're sitting close to 6.7 cents, which is a little bit better than a lot of people would have expected it to do when Bitcoin was climbing up. But this needs to keep going up. Now, there are some really important resistance zones which are going to be created around this point. You guys can see that there are some really important points. But if we pay attention to the original Dogecoin rally which we saw in 2021, you can see that slowly we're actually going above the 5 cent mark. That means if we just break above this zone, then maybe this will be the turning point where Dogecoin might make it back to a very high point. I'm not saying breaking all-time high in the near future. I know some, analysts are saying that, but personally I would not agree with that. But right now, if you pay attention, then there's another one. Dogecoin price prediction as bulls rally behind meme coin $1 incoming. Dogecoin price has sustained a positive outlook over the week, and there are a lot of big traders which are buying into it, thinking that this uptrend which has started could be the turning point for Dogecoin and might keep climbing. Now on the other end, if we pay attention to something else, this will give you more perspective. The trading volume for Dogecoin is up 300%, and it is the 11th most traded crypto right now. Why is this so important? Well, you need to understand something important. Dogecoin started losing a lot of trading volume around September. We talked about this. This was a big deal because if there is less trading volume, less people are actually talking about the token and less people are actually using it for a daily basis. Now, what's really interesting is now you can see that those turns are finally turning. Now, Binance has delisted a couple of things regarding meme tokens, but still Dogecoin is doing quite big numbers. Now Dogecoin shows promise with 4.9% rise amid the crypto market upswing. Now 4.9%, that's not a big jump, but you need to understand that overall jump, it's close to a 10% increase. Now this uptrend formation is the important bit, not the fact that we have gotten a 10% increase, but this uptrend that has formed. There's a lot more potential for it to keep climbing, and also technical indicators keep suggesting that is ready to start a new uptrend. Now, as long as Bitcoin does not decide to just fall back down, Dogecoin does not have anything that will be slowing it down. There are some major factors. Obviously, there will be close to 10 cents where the original resistance will come in. If we're able to break above that, there is a lot more points where Dogecoin can keep climbing. Bitcoin hitting 31,000 might cause Dogecoin price's potential 9-week rally. Now, this correction, you need to understand that this correction will have to keep going up. Dogecoin price exhibited a buy signal in the past week weekly chart, trading at 6.3 cents. The TD indicator suggests an uptrend for the next 8 consecutive candles, which runs through mid-December in Dogecoin's case. And especially at the start of next year, Bitcoin halving event will happen, and we have seen in the past, every halving event has caused the price to go up very quickly. And usually if it's in April, December is where the price starts climbing, and we are already seeing the uptrend as we're coming close to the end of October. But other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date everything relating to the crypto market, I highly recommend you subscribe, and I'll see you soon.